In this video, I will be discussing the print function. The print function in Python is a built-in function used to display output to the console or terminal. It's one of the most commonly used tools for debugging, displaying results, or communicating with the user. The function takes one or more arguments, converts them to strings if they aren't already, and prints them to the standard output, typically followed by a new line character. A new line character is represented by a \n. It's highly versatile due to its optional parameters, which allow you to customize how the output is displayed. The basic syntax includes the print reserved word, followed by the objects, an optional separator argument, an optional end argument, an optional file argument, and an optional flush argument. Objects are one or more items to print. Examples are strings, numbers, or variables. The separator argument is the separator between multiple objects. Default is a single space. The end argument, what to append after printing. Default is a new line character. I will be demoing the separator argument and the end argument. To demo the print function, I will be using idle. Idle is the integrated development environment. Print string hello. Print another string world. Include both objects, both strings, separated by a comma. And I can also include a mathematical expression in the same print function, separated by a comma, 5 times 5. So I get hello world with the product of 5 times 5, which is 25. Notice that hello world 25, each object is separated by a space. In order to replace the default space in the print function, you can use the separator argument, print hello world 5 times 5, comma, the separator argument, and then I'm going to use a hyphen. Hello world 25, separated by hyphens. To demo the end function, I'm going to create a new file, and I'm saving the file as argument print example. X is my variable. I'm assigning it hello. Y is another variable, and I'm assigning it world. Z is assigned greeting. Print X, comma, end equals empty string. Print Y, comma, end equals empty string. Print Z, comma, end equals empty string. I'm adding a single print statement with no argument. Run. Notice that Hello world greeting is printed on one line because I replaced the default end character, which is the \n, the new line character, with an empty string. I can go back to my Python file and add a space between the double quotes, save that, run it, and now the default \n is replaced with a space. So now I have a space between hello world and greeting. In this lesson, we learned how to use the print function by adding multiple objects, including strings, variables, and mathematical expressions. We learned about the separator argument, which can be used to replace the default single-space separator. We also learned how to replace the default new line character \n by applying the end argument in the print function.